In this video, I'll tell you guys how to set up an eSIM on your Galaxy S26 or Galaxy S26 Ultra. eSIM is getting a lot popular these days, and in the US we have eSIM only iPhones. But Samsung phones still have a physical SIM card option. The US models, for example, have one physical SIM card and one eSIM option. If you have two physical SIM slots, like I do on my Galaxy S26 Ultra, you can still use eSIM, but the phone will only allow two SIMs to be active at a time. You cannot use three SIMs at the same time. So what are the benefits of eSIM? It is a lot better when it comes to privacy and device security. For example, if your phone gets lost or stolen, someone can pull out physical SIM card from your phone, disconnecting it from the network. But with eSIM, it is a lot harder to do this unless someone unlocks your phone and manually deletes it from settings. Secondly, eSIM is a lot easier to set up. You just need a QR code to activate it. Now let's see how to set it up on your Galaxy device. First, go to settings, then connections, then SIM manager and tap on add eSIM. If you are in the US, you might see a bit different menu with options like transfer SIM from another phone, scan QR code, or search for eSIMs on your device. On my phone, I only have the option to scan a QR code, so I'll tap on that. Now you need a QR code. You can get this from your carrier's website, or you can use an eSIM app from the Google Play Store that provides eSIM profiles. Once you have the QR code, simply scan it and your eSIM will be activated on your Galaxy phone. Now let's quickly go through some frequently asked questions. Can you use both SIMs at the same time? No, you cannot use both SIMs at the same time for calls or data. Only one SIM can be used at a time, but the phone does support dual SIM standby. Can you add an eSIM after inserting two physical SIM cards? Yes, you can add it, but one of the physical SIM cards will be turned off. This is because only two SIMs can be active at a time, either two physical SIM cards or one physical SIM card and one eSIM. Can you remove an eSIM? Yes, you can remove an eSIM, and if you want to add it again, you will need to rescan the QR code. Let me know in the comments if you're using eSIM or not. And with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.